Okay, so this is our video of our beautiful stuff. See this? See this? We put chocolate on the balloon, and now we have an ice.
We're going to pop the balloon and see what will happen. Pop it into a plant.
Try it right there.
Here we go. Woo! I'm scared.
I'll do it.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Wait, pull out the balloon. Oh crap!
Wow. It wasn't dry enough.
Heck yes. Check out the bowl.
That's our masterpiece. And it has no balloon in it.
It has a hole.
Let me have some.
Oh.
We burnt it, so it's not that great.
This is my gum.
Oh, our gum. Look at these delicious French toast we made. They're good, I know. Oh, okay, so we walked to Walmart, we got grapes. We got, ready for this? Jones. And then here are the other things. See? And mandarin orange is yum. Oh, mango.
I got a mango. Check out
And
my other bar of chocolate.
Look at that, man. Okay, well, we're gonna go now. Bye.
Goodbye. Peace out.